Hi there, welcome back to T2W. So occasionally I get questions from viewers about a particular piece of equipment or a tool that I'm using in a video. So it occurred to me, why not just start doing the occasional tool review where I go a little more in depth and show you a close look at some of the items I use. So since it's Tuesday and it's a tool review, I think I'll call this Tool Review Tuesday. Now, that doesn't mean I'm going to release a tool review every Tuesday, but what it does mean is that I will try to do these as regularly as I can, and when I do them, I'll release them on a Tuesday. So, in order to help viewers get more information about the stuff I use in my shop, I've also been working to revamp my website. Now, on my website, which is T2W.com, there's a section called Stuff I Use. I'm going to have a list of the various types of equipment, tools that you see most common in my videos. And you can click on a link and it'll take you to a vendor to where you can purchase those if you like. Now, if you are going to buy these tools, I would appreciate it if you use the links from my website. It does help to support this channel and I appreciate all the support I can get. Now that list is going to continually grow. Of course, every time I do a video, usually I have a new piece of equipment or a new tool or something that I'm working with, and I'll keep adding to that list until eventually I'll have everything in my shop listed there. So for today, I'm just going to have a quick closer look at this, the Tekton Star bit and socket set. So let's open this up and take a closer look. So one day I was checking out toolvector.com and looking at all the different tools they had. Now, for any of you who've worked on modern motorcycles or modern vehicles of any type, really, you'll notice that there's getting to be more and more Star or Torx fasteners on these vehicles. Now, I had kind of a mismatch of different Star drivers and things that I had bought over the years just to kind of fit what I needed. But this set I really like because it has almost everything you're going to need for Star drive. So now if you're not familiar with what a Star drive or Torx bit is, they look like this. So essentially you have, it's characterized by a six-pointed star shape in the head of the screw or bolt. And here's what the actual one of the larger one looks like. Now this is a T60. But they look like this. Now there's also star bolt heads or sockets that are used, and those are designated with an E. In this case, it's an E18. So the nice thing about this kit is it gives you a full range of Torx bits, the T bits, and they range everywhere from a small T8 all the way up to a T60. Now the sockets range everywhere from an E4 all the way up to an E18. And of course, the drive sizes adjust accordingly. So the smaller ones, of course, will have 1/4 inch, and when you get up to the medium-sized sockets or bits, they're going to have 3/8. And then, of course, the larger ones are going to be a 1/2 inch drive. So it lets you run the full spectrum here. It also has what's known as a security bit. Now, I'm picking one of the larger ones here to show you, but the security or pinheads, some people call them, the security Torx has a hole in the middle because on that Torx bolt, and I'll show you a picture here, it's going to have a pin that sticks up in the middle of the Star drive, and that's a deterrent so people can't stick a screwdriver down in there or something of that nature and get the fastener loose. So you can't stick a standard Torx bit because it's solid in the middle. These have a hole that allows the pin to slide up in there so you can still use the unfasten it. So I've been using this set for a while and I'm very happy with it. It comes in a nice hard case so I can snap this closed. You can throw it in the truck if you need to travel with it, throw it in a toolbox. Or I like to keep it in here just to keep it organized and slip it in my tool chest here in the garage. That's really all I wanted to show you, is just to give you a closer look at this set. And like I said, it's been invaluable to me to be able to have all sizes, all drives, security, sockets, and bits all in one set. So if you think this is something that you might like for your shop, head on over to toolvector.com and check it out. And remember, while you're there, if you order it and use the T2W discount code, it'll save you 10% on your order. So that's it for this first tool review. If you haven't subscribed already, please click that subscribe button and click the little bell to get notifications of the new videos coming out. So as always, thank you so much for watching. This is Tim Two Wheels. I'll see you later. Hey guys, I wanted to let you know that toolvector.com is now a sponsor of Tim Two Wheels. If you're not familiar with toolvector.com, you should head over to their website and check it out. They have a great selection of hand tools and other supplies and gear that I use here in my shop, and they have great prices, often better than you'll find at other major online retailers. While you're there, if you use the T2W discount code, you'll save 10% on your order. I want to thank toolvector.com for their support of Tim Two Wheels.